Yes, very good morning. This is Ramesh, Department of Mechanical Engineering, Anurag Engineering College, Kodada. Okay, last class we are concentrating different types of module. Module 1 belongs to a automations concept. Module 2 we are considering the analysis of flow of automated flow line. Third one we are considering related to automated storage and assembling system. And some of the concept belongs to a material handling system. Right now we are concentrate related to fundamentals of industrial control system. So here in this particular module we have to discuss the few concepts related to overview of industrial automation, process industries, process control and process control system. These four content we have to concentrate module number 4. So first of all, here what is mean by industrial automation we are used in industry. See here the main role for industrial automation. Industrial automation is defined by the Automation Federation as the creation and application of the technology to monitor and control the production and the delivery of product and services. The product, where the product will be going to manufacturing within the industry, that product we can be stored exactly in storage location and transfer into the with help of material handling system we can transfer the material to the storage location, to the storage location to customer requirement or delivery of customer. The total handling should be considered related to industry. That handling of process may be considering regarding to data communications. We can communicate the process or formations from one location to other locations we can consider as a data communications. The data communications through the LAN, local area network. LAN should be considered as a local area network. That related to LAN we can informations given passing through the LAN from exactly assembly system to storage locations, or with help of material handling system also we can give the informations through the LAN. That is total view consider related to industrial automations, and we can monitoring exactly in proper way view and control. Transferring the system should be within the control, and delivery of the product in exactly proper locations in proper way, and proper service we have to required. That is that type of automations we have to consider in industrial. So fine, see here the total entire automations process why we are choosing in automations. For example, the main role for taking the automation industry to increase labor productivity. The productivity of labor should be increased here, and there is no need to require the labor cost in within the industry. With the help of automations we can transfer or process should be considered very easily. And next one, to overcome the effect of labor shortage. Definitely we can overcome the effect where the labor work is there. We can overcome that labor shortage by with help of these automations applied in industry. Next one, to reduce or remove routine manual and clerical task. Definitely we can minimize to transferring time. Why? Because we are choosing the automation conveyors. Okay, we are choosing different types of conveyors. those conveyors it will be transferred from station to station. Definitely we have to choose routing time we can minimize or totally removed, and where the work should be completed within the task, that is also we have to reduce with help of this concept. Now next one, to improve worker safety. Definitely we need to improve the efficiency. Why we are improve this one? The material you can transfer station to station generally, where that material it will be going to transfer at a particular station. At the station, total operating with the help of sensors. Okay, with help of it give the signals in proper view, the automatically it can be transfer, or automatically we can assemble, or automatically we can store it, or automatically you can lift the material or drop the material in a proper direction, proper locations. So there is no need exactly worker efficiency at proper point. Next, to improve product quality. Obviously, this point should be considered. With a proper automations we have to used within the industry, definitely quality of the product we are getting output of company. Then to reduce manufacturing lead time, definitely we can production lead time to minimize. When we have to operating the machinery or automations, the output of the product should be considered as a within short time we are getting the more number of products with help of automation. To accomplish what cannot be done manually, here see in this main content related to last one, we are considering manually to the automations, it take more time to satisfy the customer, very difficult. So when we have to doing the manually, okay, that manually we can accomplish here. Next, process of industry. Generally in this particular industry, some sequence of process we have to analyze related to in this one. The process industry are those industry where the primary production processor are either continuous or occur on a batch of material, that is, see here, the process of material you can transferring from a single formations, or may be considered as a bulk material. You can transfer the material within the industry. In this industry generally, the material you can produce a wide variety of product that are essentially for modern industrialized socialist. The operations of modern industrial plants would not be feasible without automation and process control. For example, we are considering a process in industry, and what are the elements or what are the areas should be considered within the industry. They have to consider related to food, beverages, petrochemicals, pharmaceuticals, oil, gases, iron, steel, power plants, wood and wood products, paper and paper products, etc. These elements we are transferring or delivering in a proper way in this particular industry. Process of industry, we can choose any one type of industry related to food industry, or related to power plant industry, or related to petrochemicals related, or a pharmacy related, whatever may be. But any one of the component we can choose it in a particular industry. Those industry we can transfer the material from in a proper way by using the uh, LAN or a data communicate from one location to next location. This is the process for industry, and a few example we are considering related to process we are used in industry. So here process controls and process here. What is mean by process control? Process control is nothing but it is referred to the method that are used to control manufacturing a product. Definitely, we are considering here methods that are used to control manufacturing a product. So, manufacturing may be considered as a some way we are considering primary process, and the second one is the secondary process. The combination of the primary and secondary process is known as a manufacturing process. Generally, we are discussing. So here primary process means there should be considered as a semi-finished product should be observed. In secondary process we are taking the finally finished product. The combination for those two products, semi-finished and finished product, those combinations should be considered as a manufacturing process. This particular manufacturing process control the production process for three reasons. To controlling this entire manufacturing process, we are considering as a three reasons, that is reduce variability, increase efficiency, ensure safety. We need variability should be considered as a reduce, and output of the product considered as a more efficiency. We need in a proper safety we have to require then to satisfy the customer. And see here a process variable, process value and process parameter is the current status of process under control. There are four commonly measured variables which affect chemical and physical process. Okay, some of the process variables we are considering related to chemical and physical process. Those are maybe pressure, temperatures, level and flow. These entire process controlled by a control system. By with help of control system, we can control all parameters. We can deliver from a sequence manner, or it process for a proper view. That concept we are considering related to control system. See here, some of the suppliers and some of the DCS name, and we are considering PLC suppliers, PLC names. Okay, generally in industry and companies, we are need some suppliers we have to require. We should be mention that one, and their name also we are considering. Those are the structure related to industrial automation business companies. Right, next content here, what is a PLC? PLC is nothing but a programmable logic control. Is an industrial computer that monitor inputs, makes decisions based on its program, and control output to automate a process or machine. These automations of many different processes generally, such as controlling the machines and Factory assembly lines is done through the use of small computers called a programmable logic controls. With the help of programmable logic controls, we can transfer or we can use different we can use it to computers in small data we can controlling. For example, the product manufacturing at single locations, it will become a proper direction, then you can enter into the next station definitely. To controlling of the product must be required. So controlling purpose they have to use it as a PLC, program logic controls, then control the product. Okay, this is the final informations regarding to a module 4. Next one we have to discuss the last content, the module number 4, that's considered as a related to business process and re-engineering. Okay, thank you one and all, have a nice day.